Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am glad you are here. I just want to thank the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate your support. And I want to thank anybody coming through to watch my knife EDC content. I appreciate you. If you like the content and you're so inclined, if you'd hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon down there, it would help the channel out and keep you updated when I release new videos. Today, we've got kind of a mystery unboxing. I've been buying several things over before Thanksgiving, Black Friday type stuff. And I think this is from GP Knives, something I ordered. I'm going to use my little Amazon titanium unboxing knife just to get into this. I missed the tape. All right. Let me get this turned just in case there's, try not to dump peanuts out. It's going to be impossible not to. Well, it's a knife. It's a Boker. I've got a stinking suspicion I might know what this is. Let's take a look at it together. It is a 124502. Deutschland, Solingen, Germany, 124502. I don't know what that means. A little quality-ish thing, couple of little Boker things, a little torch bit, and the knife. Alright guys, I'm stoked. I do remember what this is now. So this is a knife that I have been oogling over for since I got into EDC fixed blades, right? It's a Boker, Solingen, Germany. I want to say it is the AK2. Whoa. A little EDC fixie. I don't know whose different marks those are on the blade. It's RWL 34 steel, full tang construction. Let's get some paper and see if it cuts. Comes with this little leather sheath. Wow. Very, very sharp. Very slicey. So it is a little RWL. This one's carbon fiber handles is the one they had in stock. These are on sale right now at GP Knives for about $100 less than they normally sold for. And again, this reverse Tanto, let me see if I can see the number of this. Hold on. Let me look at my. It is the Boker Daily Daily AK1 reverse Tanto RWL 34 fixed blade. Model number's the 124502. So that's the, I'd dox myself if I showed it to you. But there you go. You can screenshot that. That'll show you what it is. But anyway, I picked it up. I love the sheath. I like the fact that it's a little pocket dropper. So I'll wear this in my pocket. Just clip it down. When you lower it, it keeps that little ulti-clip hook, keeps it under your hem of your pants. Ulti-clip, that's a branded ulti-clip. Really nice sheath. Really, really nice little knife. Just to give you guys a quick size comparison. This is not a review, just an unboxing. I'll reach into my pockets. That is it next to the Jaeger. And that is it next to the Civivi Typheus. And finally, that is it next to a Civivi Baby Banter. So you can tell looking at it, it is a small EDC fixed blade. I am getting ready to put it in my pocket so I can kind of check it out, see what I think about it. I've got something nasty on my Jaeger blade. What the hell is that? You can see it's gooing oil because don't do like me, kids. I use way too much oil when I do my skiff swap outs. So I'll lube this to the gills, but it feels great and I've been carrying it ever since. I did cave just off the record. I couldn't find a black backspacer because when Brian helped me hook up with this black hardware, he just did me a solid of what he had left. So I went on his website, God, one night this week, and he had a Zerk backspacer and clip for this knife. So I will be breaking it down again, putting in the Zerk backspacer and the Zerk clip, which will at least, you know, match. Then I think I'll just really love this knife. It's kind of ironic that the V Gen 3 is coming out. But guys, this is the Boker Solingen, Germany, AK1, reverse Tanto, RWL 34, done exceptionally well. I've got my little Boker BFF. This is Solingen, Germany made knife that I really like, a little fixed blade. It's not nearly as thin as this knife. This knife, to me, is more of a slicer, more of a finessing cutting knife. You've got this nice little lanyard hole here, kind of integrated into the tang. It says something on the spine. Boker Solingen is laser etched on the spine. And then the RWL 34 is laser etched on the handle. Extremely slicey satin blade. Fits my hand like a champ. It's got a pretty good sharpening choil. Could be better, but you could always cut one in if you needed to. As sharp and as thin as it is, you know, it could probably do pretty well just being honed, being stropped, not removing a lot of steel because I can't imagine changing that angle. I would like to know what these three maker's marks are there, or the significance of them. The trees in the middle, which I guess is Boker, but I don't know the two on the end. But guys, I appreciate you more than you know checking out my knife, my EDC content. I'm really stoked that I know what this is now, and I do remember ordering it. I've got several others coming in. I bought some weird stuff. But anyways, for science, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all. All I ask is that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.